Residents of St. Elizabeth have been forced yet again to pick up the pieces after the devastating impact of a hurricane. Hurricane Melissa made landfall on Monday as a Category 5 system, decimating infrastructure and claiming lives. The police have confirmed that 5 people were killed during the passage of the hurricane in St. Elizabeth, 4 men and 1 woman. Meanwhile, the parish remains without electricity, which is impacting the telecommunications services. Our reporter Kalisha Williams is in St. Elizabeth and now reports.
So it is now 2:41 and I am reporting from St. Elizabeth. I'm actually in Junction right now. It's the only place we can get a little signal, and even then it's not stable. I think right now I'm physically okay, but just mentally exhausted looking at the damage and devastation all around. It's a lot, especially in the Treasure Beach area. The roads are just, I don't know, it's hard to even describe what we're seeing on the road. Not even potholes, but craters. You can see where the roads crumbled under the pressure of the water and the wind. So the roads are impassable. Some areas are still flooded, and there are utility poles in some sections of the road, trees. The residents, though, they're quite resilient, so they have been on the road all morning trying to clear sections of the road. On Tuesday, though, we were basically marooned. We're not able to leave the Treasure Beach area because a lot of trees blocked the road. So we're in Treasure Beach all day yesterday, and I think for us, we started to feel the brunt of the storm from around Monday night and all day Tuesday. Heavy rain, extremely strong winds. We're not able to leave the room for most of the day, basically. You could hear the zinc and parts of people's roof, just falling in the wind, the whistling, the howling. At some point, water was coming from the walls. I don't even know how to explain it. I was looking to see where the water was coming from, but it is just so hard to explain. The rain was just so intense, and we got over 24 hours of rainfall, just being in the Treasure Beach area. For the most part, no, everyone in southern St. Elizabeth is without electricity, no water in some areas, no connections. You can't receive calls, you can't send out calls. I know lots of people, they are concerned about their relatives in the other parts of the island, especially in western Jamaica, because they have not been in contact with them. We tried to go to Black River earlier this morning because we were told that a section of the bridge, well, the bridge is non-existent. The bridge that would take you from Black River into Treasure Beach, that bridge collapsed. I heard that pedestrians can go across, but motor vehicles cannot go across. We were trying to go there, but the Fuller's Wood main road is impassable, waist high water. We're trying to go through, but we had to make a U-turn, and that's how we ended up in Junction, still searching, going through, trying to find connection. It is almost apocalyptic. It's just so much hard to describe. The people, as I said earlier, they're resilient and they're just grateful. They're grateful for life. Grateful for life. I know most of the coastal persons who are living extremely close to the coast, most of their properties, they have lost roofs, and the storm surge came in. It's going to take some time before a lot of these people recover, especially those who still are recovering from Hurricane Beryl, and to have Hurricane Melissa now causing such severe damage. So we're here underground, and we'll have some more updates for you. I mean, the connection is unstable, so we'll try our best to get some more updates to you as soon as possible. But for now, it's back to you in studio.
Thank you so much, Kalisha. We are actually appreciative of what you have been able to send us so far.